air conditioning units for commercial and private sectors. Mobile air conditioning units are primarily designed to create an air-cooled environment where permanent fixing of air conditioners is not possible. Some special type of system is utilized to cool electrical devices' temperature for private and commercial sectors. Mobile devices can be deployed quickly and flexibly. Key applications where mobile air conditioners are used: archives and museums, easy and reliable solutions for the ideal room climate. The temperature and air quality of the room are the most essential aspects in preserving your priceless exhibits or archive documents. Archives and museums are kept free of microbes through mobile air conditioning units. It even controls the environment in exhibition rooms, libraries, archives, and storage places. All values necessary for the preservation of your exhibits can be determined by our new T3000. In addition, we also have dehumidifiers that come with a humidity sensor that not only controls humidity, but also gives your device a reading of the room's current humidity. Once the desired value has been reached, the dehumidifiers automatically turn on or off. Air conditioning for poultry farming. Heating systems help maintain a steady temperature. All year round, farmers must be well equipped with a suitable heating system to provide their animals with the optimal climate. VackerGlobal's oil heating systems provide the chickens with a warm welcome in the winter. The system is highly efficient and adaptable in terms of heating and air conditioning options. Even under harsh conditions, the heating system produces heat promptly and without delay. Climate conditioning for freezing. Low temperatures with low humidity achieved each time. As part of the climate conditioning process, air cooling as well as dehumidification is a critical component. We have powerful industrial dehumidifiers available for the transport and logistics sector, where the need to maintain optimal temperature and humidity is key to successful business. In addition to our services, our experts examine the individual requirement situation and establish the specific device requirements. They then build a tailor-made solution right up to the precise location for each machine. Conditioning of cold chain logistics. Air coolers and desiccants of all performance classes for any requirement. Desiccant dehumidifiers are used to minimize condensation in the climate conditioning of cold chain logistics. VackerGlobal supplies the appropriate devices for all requirements. Mobile or stationary solutions are available with condensation or absorption technology. The specialists of our industrial service team examine the individual requirement situation on site, calculate the specific demand for devices, and in agreement with you to design a custom-made project solution right up to the exact positioning of the devices in your system. Air conditioning electronics industry. Air cooling and dehumidification at every stage of the electronics industry. For many manufacturing processes in the production of electronic parts and semiconductors, very dry air is also required apart from cooling. For selective process air conditioning in the electronics and semiconductor industries, our desiccant dehumidifier TTR500D is particularly well suited to the task. VackerGlobal, as a manufacturer of electronic equipment and semiconductors, not only provides devices, but also technically and economically perfected solutions. Air conditioning industrial processes. Cool and dry air for the industry. In the process air conditioning industry, concepts with stationary or mobile air cooling and dehumidification are often applied. For its industrial customers, VackerGlobal offers strong industrial air coolers and absorption dryers. For cooling, strong industrial air coolers up to 27.6 kW capacity and absorption dryers from the TTR series can be used for selective dehumidification. Customers of VackerGlobal are not only provided with devices, but also technically and economically optimal solutions. VackerGlobal provides mobile air handling units at reasonable rates for commercial and private use to ensure your well-being. VackerGlobal is a group of companies that is involved in industrial, process, and PLC automation, temperature and humidity management solutions, and engineering solutions. We have been supplying commercial dehumidifiers, air cleaners, basement dehumidifiers, etc. for commercial and industrial applications. For detailed information and warranty, please contact our sales office at sales.en@vackerglobal.com. Visit our website, www.vackerglobal.com.